Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is give reasons for the following. So totally 115 give reasons are there. So let us answer those 115 give reasons. So the first give reason is sodium and potassium is kept under kerosene. So because why sodium and potassium are kept under kerosene? Because readily they readily reacts with both air and water. Since they readily react with both air and water, it is kept under kerosene. Next, second one, red light is used in danger signal lights anta ide. So because red light will scatter less and red light has more wavelength. Next, sky appears black for astronauts. Why? Because due to absence of atmosphere. Next, light get dispersed in prism because each color has its own refractive index. Next, aluminum oxide is an amphoteric oxide because it reacts with both acid and base to form salt and water. Next, sixth one, guitar string is made of metal because metals are sonorous. Next, AC is preferred over DC because AC can be transmitted to long distance. AC can be transmitted to long distance without much loss of energy. Next, question number 8. Copper is added to gold. So why we have to add copper to gold? Because gold is soft. To make it hard, copper is added. Next, split rings are used in motor because it reverses the direction of, it is also called as commutator. It reverses the direction of current. To reverses the direction of current, split rings are used. Next, question number 10. Convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror of vehicles because to get full-sized diminished erect image. Next, concave mirror is used in headlight of vehicles because to get narrow parallel beam of light. To get narrow parallel beam of light. Next, question number 12. A layer of zinc is coated on iron articles to avoid rusting of iron. To avoid rusting of iron. Next, chemical equation should be balanced to follow to follow the law of conservation of mass. Next, silver chloride and silver bromide is stored in dark bottles because to avoid decomposition reaction. Next, let us move for question number 15. So question number 15. Plaster of Paris is kept in moisture proof container because to avoid POP to become hard mass called gypsum. Next, gold is used in making jewelry because gold is most malleable and ductile metal and also it is lustrous and it is less reactive Next, reaction of some compound or elements with HNO3 nitric acid, hydrogen is not released because nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes hydrogen to water. Therefore, hydrogen is not released. Next, respiration is exothermic because energy is released. Then, photosynthesis is endothermic reaction because during photosynthesis, energy is absorbed. That is, light energy is absorbed. Next, stainless steel is used in making surgical instruments because it will not get rust and avoids infection. Next, question number 21. Sulfide ore or carbonate ore is converted into oxide ore because it is easy to get metal from oxide ore than sulfide or carbonate ore. Next, magnesium ribbon is cleaned before burning because to remove oxide layer of magnesium. Next, question number 23. Potato chips packet is flushed with nitrogen because to avoid rancidity or because to avoid oxidation. Next, baking soda is used as an antacid because it neutralizes acid present in the stomach. That is excess acid present in the stomach. Next, metal surface becomes dull when exposed to air for a long time because due to oxidation. Metal reacts with oxygen and it forms a oxide layer, and that oxide layer makes the metals to look dull. Methane is the simplest form of hydrocarbon because it has least number of carbon atom. Only one carbon is there. So ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು simplest form of hydrocarbon. Next, copper is used in hot water tanks but not steel because copper is less reactive. ಒಂದು ಎರಡನೇದು it will not react with cold or hot or steam. So cold water, hot water or steam. Therefore it is used in making hot water tanks. Next, concave mirror is used by the dentist because to get magnified image of teeth. Now let us move for question number 29. So question number 29. Curd is not kept in copper or brass vessel because curd reacts with copper or brass to form poisonous salts which are harmful to our health. Next, metals are electropositive because they have the tendency to donate electrons. Next, gallium will melt when kept on our palm because it has low melting point. So a metal having low melting point is gallium and even cesium. So sodium chloride is an ionic compound. So because it is formed due to transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal. From metal to non-metal. Next, question number 33. White silver chloride turns gray in sunlight because due to decomposition reaction. Due to decomposition reaction. During electrolysis of water, few drops of dilute H2SO4 is added to water because water is a poor conductor of poor conductor of electricity. To make it good conductor, H2SO4, dilute H2SO4 is added. Next, thermite reaction is used in welding railway tracks because this reaction is highly exothermic. Reaction. Next, 36th. The bulbs are filled with chemically inactive nitrogen and argon gases ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ because these gases helps to prolong the life of filament of bulb. 37th. The resistivity of a wire of length L meter is same as the resistivity of the wire of length 2L meter because resistivity depends on nature of material but not length of the wire. Next, 38th. Magnetic field does not intersect each other because at the point of intersection there will be two directions. Which is not possible. Question number 39. Arteries have thick wall. Why the arteries have thick wall? Because to withstand high pressure flow of blood. The blood will flow with high pressure flow of blood. Veins have valves because to avoid backflow of deoxygenated blood. Next, 41st question. Mucus is secreted in stomach because to protect the inner lining of stomach. From stomach from HCl. Then 42nd, iodized salt is recommended in our diet because to avoid a disease called goiter, because thyroxine will be secreted with the help of iodine. Now let us move for question number 43. So question number 43, breathing rate is faster in aquatic animals than in terrestrial animals because the amount of dissolved oxygen in water is less when compared to oxygen present in the atmosphere. Next, 44th question. In mammals, oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood flow separately because first one, due to presence of interventricular septum ಒಂದು, ಎರಡನೇದು it provides high sufficient flow of or supply of oxygen. Then the third one, it keeps body temperature constant. Next, question number 45. Respiratory organs are inside our body because to increase the area of absorption and they are fine and delicate. Now let us move for question number 46. So question number 46, herbivores have longer small intestine because it is very difficult to digest cellulose. 47, carnivores have shorter small intestine because it is easy to digest meat. So question number 48, at night we must not sleep under a tree because there is no photosynthesis occurring at night. So plants or trees also releases carbon dioxide. Next, testes are located outside the body because testes produces sperms only if the temperature is less than our normal body temperature. Next, question number 50. use of CFCs is banned in many countries because CFCs are one of the cause for ozone depletion. Next, question number 51. A person after consuming alcohols walks clumsily. Why ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Because alcohol affects the cerebellum due to lack of muscular balance and coordination. The person walks clumsily. Next, question number 52. Carbon monoxide is highly dangerous when inhaled because carbon monoxide has great affinity with hemoglobin of our blood, and it cuts off the supply of oxygen due to which it is fatal. Next, question number 53. The upper part of the box type solar cooker has a glass cover because to prevent loss of heat due to radiation. Next, question number 54. Aluminium and copper wires are used for transmission of electricity because they have high conductivity and low resistivity. Next, ferrous sulfate crystal loses its color when heated because it loses water molecules when heated. Next, ionic compound conduct electricity in molten state because due to movement of ions. So like this we have to in this video we have answered from question number 1 to 56, and in the next video we are going to answer the remaining. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Those who already subscribe my YouTube channel, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thank you very much for everyone for supporting my YouTube channel. So thank you.